Have you ever heard M's voicemail?
Probably, but I don't recall.
I never listened to it until like a week ago.
So you never left me a message?
Yeah, I just hear it go and I just hang up immediately. I go, she'll call me back.
She'll call me back.
That's pretty confident.
Send a text message. Well, it's worked so far.
Hello, you've reached Emily Riedel's answering machine service. Please leave me a message, and I hope your day exceeds your wildest expectations. After you leave a message,
That's fucking awesome. What's wrong with that one?
There you go, see?
It's like 12 words
Listen to
too
Grit.
many. You know?
No,
Hello,
look,
you've reached
everybody.
Emily's answering service.
Emily's answering
Incorporated.
service.
I hope your day is exceedingly spectacular and
it's-
whimsical.
It is great. It is a great wish for an awesome day. You know what?
What are we doing, Em?
We got some tortillas, and we got some sausages, and we got a little propane stove that we use to heat the cabin, and also cook snacks. Check out and see how the sausage.
Oh, here we go.
The great reveal.
Hot wiener.
Nothing like a hot wiener.
Oh, cooked to perfection.
No, I think it needs some more time.
Oh yeah.
I hope we're on Gold Dance.
Yeah, awesome.
Maybe this is the spot. It's gotta be a unfortunate arrival.
Where are we parking this thing?
The floating dock. Or wherever. I mean, the floating dock. My truck's there. We can give you a ride to your car.
Oh yeah, because my car's around the corner.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I see how this works. Oh, there it
Well,
is.
whatever.
Grant, what would you do if you ran into an orca underwater as a diver?
I think I would just do my best to not make eye contact with it. I don't want to have that kind of emotional connection to such a well-toothed machine, you know? Like, I don't want it to be checking me out, be like, ooh, look at me. I'd be like, no. I'm too busy moving dirt here, all right? You can wait. You can wait in line. Rock number one's getting my attention right now.
Hopefully, like, they would, one killer would recognize another, you know, and you just kind of get that respect of the sea, you know?
You know, we'd have like a Jedi mind connection, me and Free, like, you know, like the grandson of the one true Free Willy. Yes.
You're like, I saw that movie. And...
You'd be like, ooh, my heart is getting warmer right now. Ooh, and there's more gold here.
What are you doing? Look at all this slack.
You okay, boss?
I don't pull up mine.
No, I think you got to pull your slack up.
No, you pull up your
You didn't hide the edibles that good this time.
She got into him again. Those weren't regular brownies, sweetheart.
Snap.
All right, so we're on the dredge. I think Emily is spying on us. Let's see. Oh yeah, there she is. She's just texted me and said, I'm spying on you. And she's just looking at us from the shore in her truck. What a creep.
How could you fit two people in that plane?
Okay, maybe not. I don't know.
Ah, feels so good to be right.
Look at this thing.
You think it still works, baby?
Oh yeah, it's probably just a quick little fix.
Yeah, turn a couple screws and you're in the air.
Just a new whole tail rotor assembly and maybe a new plane entirely.
Maybe a whole new plane entirely.
Yeah.
Might be a better use of your money, actually.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a good game here.
Hold my beer
Yeah,
and
I
watch
don't want to go
this.
that way. All the exposed nails all over the place.
You got your tetanus shot, right, Em?
Yeah.
It's been a while.
You don't mind bleeding, right?
Not really. I've stepped on rusty nails before, not to brag or anything. It's kind of cool. I like it.
Neat.
I mean, it's a bummer that the roof collapsed on it. That's gonna put a cramp in your style.
There, hop in.
Ooh. Oh. Well, you could store your camping gear back here and Another passenger.